it's Darling Craftula here with another video. Yay! Today on Resin with Raven Mondays, I'm going to go over my resin art supplies. So basically anything beyond the typical resin supplies like molds and resin. So I just laid everything out here on my ping pong / pool table just so I had a little bit more room to film, and yeah, so I'm excited, so let's get started. I have all these gems in this bin here, and these are gems that I actually used to create my wedding centerpieces, and I have a whole bunch of extras here and some little gem things, and I also have some pipe cleaners that I want to try out in resin. Moving on, here we have my sticker bucket thing and it is just like jam-packed, and I probably should have cleaned this up before I started. I'm smart. So I have a whole bunch of stickers here and they're just lying everywhere. Some of these are in the packets they're supposed to be in, some of them aren't. But yeah, these are some of my cute stickers I just absolutely loved. I picked these up for a certain reason. Secret. I love these stickers. I'm gonna clean this up and come back. Okay, so I cleaned this up a bit and I put my stickers in these two packets, and these are just like clear project holder things I used when I was in school, and I use them to put my stickers in. And I have a whole bunch of confetti and cellophane flakes in here and extra packets of glitter. And yeah, this is pretty jam-packed. I really love this bag. I love grabbing stuff from it and putting stuff in my resin. I bought some feathers to try out. I really want to try doing feathers in resin. It looks really hard, but I really want to try it. And some more different confettis and objects. These bows, I really want to try these bows. I don't know how I'm going to use them yet, but I love them. And then I have more gems and stick-ons like googly eyes. I do voiceovers for mine, so you guys aren't hearing all the crinkly noises. I didn't want to have those in. It's kind of hard to talk over them. This is my alphabet bead bag, and my cats. There's like 2 bags in here because my cats had chewed a hole in the bottom one, and these were all over the floor, and I really was not impressed. Oh, them and their antics. Some extra plastic bags. My stencil here for one of my molds if I want to put pictures in there. And I have my wet dry sandpaper in 600 grit, and then I also have 800 grit. And then I missed some of these gems, and it looks like I missed these to put away. Oh no, the bag opened and they're all over the place. But yeah, I use these when I first start resin, and I'm excited to try these again. They're just fabric shapes, hearts, and butterflies. Some more confetti that I missed. I suck at cleaning. Some glitter packets. Oh, look, more gemmy things. Ooh, my Rilakkuma. This was like $1 and it was cute, so I had to get it. And I have some felt and some glitter paper and this kind of meshy paper stuff, plastic, and some straws. And I also have a whole bunch of these other gems that I really would like to try. And then more. Yeah, I have lots of stuff. And I love these pearls. They're Martha Stewart pearls. I love them. And then I also have some rub-ons. Stormy tried them. I'm going to put her link in the down bar. She is absolutely amazing with resin, and she uses tattoos on them, so I really want to try them. I told her I want to try it. I asked her how to do it. It's super simple. You should check out her channel. And I got these glow-in-the-dark ones, and I just think they're so pretty. I absolutely cannot wait to try these. I just picked these up, no joke. Yay. Yes, check out her channel. She also have bought some of this ribbon and stuff like that and cut it up and put it in resin, so I really want to try it. All right, on to my paints. These are my acrylic paints that I use to paint on resin. I mix them, or what you have not, or whatever. I would say the colors I use the most are white. I also use lots of yellow and pink, and I would say I use a lot of black. I have 2 bottles of that. But yeah, I get my hands dirty. I love it. And I also have my soft pastels, and I also use the paint and these pastels to color my resin as well. I don't just paint with them. I love these pastels. I use them for clay too. So these are the tools I use when painting or whatever have you. Most of these are for clay, but I do use the paintbrushes, and my most favorite is tools in here. I love this ball tool. I paint with it all the time. Obviously not that side, but this side. I paint my nails, I paint resin, I use it for clay. I love it. Love it. And then I have my Sharpies, and I use these Sharpies to draw on resin or clay, and I love my Sharpies. I have a whole bunch of black ones in here, like I need that many. And then I have all my Pearl-Ex, and I just bought a whole bunch. Like, I bought a huge pack of them. I think it was like the second series or something. And yeah, I'm gonna line these up for you guys. All right, and here's a kind of a look at all the Pearl-Ex colors I have. And as I said, I haven't tried them all. I just got some of them, so I'm so excited to try these. And hopefully I'll have some of my new pieces in the next resin update when I tried some of these new Pearl-Ex colors. Yee. On to my favorite things. I just bought these circle glitter, so I'm excited about that. I love E6000. It is like my lifesaver. Love E6000. On to my most favoriteest box in the whole wide world. It has my enamel paints in them, and there's a whole bunch. This is in a couple layers. I have my Casting Craft pigments in yellow and blue. They're always sold out of black and white, so it really angers me. That's why I use acrylic paint. I have my translucent dyes, and I actually have it in red, blue, and yellow. I have a whole bunch of glitter and micro marbles for my collections, and Martha Stewart, and different shapes and all that jazz. I have my dollar store glitter, and I have the really cool shaped glitter. I have a whole bunch, just like crazy amounts of glitter and micro marbles. And I got this huge jar of Martha Stewart glitter for $1.50. It blew my mind. It was awesome. I have my paint thinner to get off my enamel paints off the brush, some embossing glitter stuff or whatever you want to call it to color my resin, my huge glitter wheel. Yes, I love this box. It is like my most favoriteest box. It's so much fun to go through, and I use it all the time. Don't forget to check out my website for my channel information and other goodies. Thank you so much for joining me for another Resin with Raven Monday. If you wish, please rate, comment, and subscribe. I would very much appreciate that. Thank you to all my subbies. You guys are so supportive and awesome. My giveaway video will be up this Friday, so please watch out for that. I would love it if you all could enter. Please stay tuned for some extra footage of my kitties while I was filming. You get a chance to see all 4 of my babies. I will see you guys all on Wednesday for Clean with Raven. Until then, bye!